Cool, we are live, cuz. Oh, I don't really want to show it up. I'm gonna lie to you. What I do want to do is cool. Change the stream title. Update. Cool. Close up. Gonna go to YouTube.
That's this separation right here. Remember, all we're doing is we're studying all of this range-bound price action. We're just studying it over the lens of a 15-second candlestick. So here's the volume and bounce. If you remember being in school, like in chemistry and physics and whatnot, I had engineering classes and stuff. When we were in class, we always had these experiments. We had laboratories, basically called it. And you had the ability of sitting in, and usually you had a partner or you had a small group of other students. And we were doing some kind of observation. We were doing tests. We were measuring the incubation cycle of chicken eggs. You know, we did all kinds of stuff in school, and that's why science and math were always exciting to me. English I sucked at. Everything else I sucked at. But those studies were that's my forte, and mathematics was my go-to. And when we're looking at price action, the closest thing I can try to encourage new students to do is treat your study of price action like a laboratory, like a case study of you doing like forensics on it. Like, what's the fine details in here?
what is bro talking about?
Okay, and when you listen to people like Anton Creel from his little stint when he was a reality star for the BBC, his stuff that he puts on YouTube will say, and I'm sure it was directed to me because I was really making fun of his blue suede shoes one time and he blocked me. But he says, we're not doing technical science here. And that's what I was like, you know what? That's exactly what we do here. Okay. So I took that from him. He used it as like a ribbing, like an insult. But I was like, you know what? That's a badge of honor. We are absolutely doing technical science here. So you're really going in price action and watching. And does price continuously give feedback that would be measured as a pro or a con for...
Is your investment portfolio stretched only between the Big Apple and the Golden Gate?
To a high or an old low. And you're constantly looking for these things. The main takeaway, we're at the top of that weekly buy side and balance, sell side efficiency, and it can touch again that volume and balance. But what happens if it spikes up with a wick and hits this and then drops? Is that something that's bad? No. It's something that's reasonable given the type of climate we're in this week. We are past the easy days of this week. That was Monday and Tuesday. So Wednesday becomes what? Harder. It's going to be a lot more challenging for you. If you don't know what you're doing, it's going to be very, very challenging for you to be able to see what price is going to do next. Think about that in terms of when you read these books that people write, or they have courses, or they do mentorships, or they have live, analysis and signals. if they are not emphasizing and using terms like this is difficult right now, or they're not describing, and I'm not saying that they're not saying something useful when they say, "Oh, it's the market's just going nowhere right now." That's a realistic observation, and I could say that's it's good. But when they just conveniently say, "Oh, it's just choppy right now," that's like a it's an escape
It's
mechanism
my
for
chart real
them.
quick.
Instead of saying, "I don't know what the market's doing right now," how hard is that? I don't know what the market's going to do right now. You're going to hear me.
Mute ICT quick. I'm sure we got 15-minute SMT here. Yeah, 15-minute SMT. Here's our sell side down here. Also got sell side here. Just mark out that sell side. $15-minute imbalance. Swept Asia highs. Alright, I'm gonna go back to watching this shit.
Right there. All right, and then that would be this. See, normally when you're above that buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, coming back down into it, it's acting as what? A bullish fair value gap. That's its initial classification. But if it trades down below it and you're bearish, this becomes a inversion fair value gap, and you want to see things treated
Right,
to.
the stream's lagging. Fuck that. We're just gonna wait till 9:30 and look at my chart. 15-minute. No, this was a 5-minute fair value gap. No. I might as well change the title of the stream now, because... Nope, don't want to show you like that. Fuck. Hold up. The TP's gonna hit. Are you in a short? You must be in a short. Yeah, of course you're in a short. What should I change the title to? I've got brain fog, hold up. Live trading, NQ. With a little smiley face on the end, there we go. Sorted. Sorted! Oh, my back's in pain. I feel like I've got a fucking 8-inch dildo on my back. Can I say that on YouTube? I don't know if I can say that, but I said it. Let's mark out 9:30. There you go. There we go, 9:30. News. Yeah, we just had 8:15 today. Fucking non-farm payroll. I hate non-farm week. With a passion. I don't know if anyone saw this morning. We caught this. We had a L here in London because I did some dumb shit, but then here there was just SMT here, and then TP1 was here in this 1-minute fair value gap, and TP2 was here. But we ended up hitting TP1, and then we trailed our stop to break even, which was like here, and then it came up and hit us a break even. I think maybe it was here. Somewhere, no, there's this candle here that took us out, and our break even was here. And we caught 117 ticks there. This was just an L. So I think you'd love to full port. Should I full port now? Not now. When? When should I full port? On Friday? No way. No. Slippage. Is it slippage? No, not slippage. Slippage. Whatever it's called when they open it up and it will take you out at like a fucking random price because there's news. Whatever that's called. I'm pretty sure it's slippage. My mind's blank today. I'll get fucked. My stop loss. I'll put my stop loss like here and it will take me out up here. Like fucking up here. Fuck that. No, I will never full port. I never have full ported. Nah, fuck that. Not full porting. You can full port. Is the title changed? Yeah, the title's changed. Okay, let me put this on Twitter quick. Copy link. Twitter. Bang, post. I have a bunch of accounts, so I'm going to full port. If you want a full port, then you can. I've got one account, so I'm not full porting. I'd be stupid to do that. But if you want to do that with one of your accounts, fair enough. I wouldn't advise it though. But whatever floats your boat. Whatever floats your boat, whatever tickles your pickle, whatever tickles your fancy. Okay, let's look at higher time frames here, because I will update anything if I see good in Discord. Cool. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm just waiting for 9:30 and to see some sort of SMT on a low time frame, because we have high time frame SMT, just not low time frame SMT. So that's what I'm waiting for right now. Adios. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Yeah, I mean 9:30 we might just come and grab this then. Thing is, this week on the weekly, let me show the weekly. We've got this bearish fair value gap here, but then we've also tapped into a bullish fair value gap here. I'm going to turn off my executions for now, and I'll turn them back on later. Just dropped my phone, fuck. I'll turn my executions back on later. The phone's doing some weird shit. Yeah, we got this weekly fair value gap right here, and then we've got a bearish one, so we're in between two fair value gaps right now. So weekly bias, the fuck knows. Like, it's just I don't really have a bias for the weekly. Plus it's NFP week, so yeah. Daily though, we got this part of this volume imbalance that isn't filled. Just drag that along now. Volume imbalance. This is all balanced price here. Fair value gap here. Yesterday was bearish, closed below. Previous day low. So today I can expect bearish price action. Hugh, what the fuck does that mean? Are you talking about meat? He's gone, he's not even in the live anymore. Yeah, I think we're gonna go for this sell side here. And then previous day low, this is PDL. Should I mark that out? I'll mark that out for people watching. Why is that so big? The fuck? Why is it so big? That's what she said. Why is it so long as well? That's what she said. Oh fuck, I'm making myself laugh. Okay, that's previous day low. I'll put it underneath. No, I won't. I'll put it on top. And then this is just minus sell side. Cool. I'm gonna watch the 5 minute here for the opening. We can get rid of this because that's been inverted. We can mark this out though. Can you? There we go. Oh, where's my water? I don't have any water. Fuck. Cool, we'll just stay on the 5 minute. Sheesh. Well, that got hit in the Discord. Oh, here we go. We actually have a 15 minute imbalance here. I'll mark this out as well. Bottom right. Minor sell side liquidity. Yes, on the 1 minute. Cool. I think we're sorted. Is that 15 minute fair value gap? Changes to grey. Cool. Alright, 10 seconds till 9:30 open. See if we want to close this opening range gap or not. Can maybe create some sort of SMT. Currently doing that right now. Should I mark out the opening range gap? Probably. I'll mark that out in like a light grey. There we go. Electronic channels, here we go. Cool. So currently creating an SMT here. So fuck the opening range gap, I don't want all this shit on my chart. There's that 15-minute fair value gap fill. Get rid of this, get rid of that, and just mark this out as buy side here. BSL. ES definitely weaker. Where's 10 o'clock as well? There's 10 o'clock. ES might just go for these lows. Looks like it will. I mean, ES could take these lows and NQ could leave it. And then we get an SMT. Let's just see if ES takes these lows here. 15. What is this fucking fat square here? What is this? Is this a weekly fair value gap? I think it is. Yeah, it is. Just fuck off. Just in my face. I don't know what. It's just confusing me. Yeah, NQ's dropping. So mark out this 1 minute fair value gap. Where's my yellow? There it is. to the open hasn't been too hectic today. It's actually been quite clean. Created a fair value gap right on a 930 on both ES and NQ. Well, NQ created a bit later. We had an SMT here. I just want to see us go for this low, form an SMT, maybe get a inverse fair value gap to the upside. Okay, ES taken the low. Let's see if NQ takes the low. See if we form a fair value gap here. Or not. There we go. So yeah, NQ's probably going to take low. ES has already taken it. We might just get continuation down to previous day low. 5 minute. 3 minute. So yeah, it would have been great short of that 15-minute fair value gap there. If you ended up taking that. Which I wanted to take, but it doesn't really fit my criteria for a trade entry, so that's the whole reason why I didn't enter that. Okay. Taking the low. Yes, just still going lower. NQ's holding. Got bullish SMT here on the 1 minute, but it is 1 minute SMT. Zoom out, 5 minute and 5 minute. So yeah, hold on. We do have SMT here. There you go, previous day low on ES has been taken, but NQ's holding. So now, let's go here, bottom, center, SMT, NQ. That is previous day low, right? Yeah. So there. Got high time frame SMT, unless NQ just wants to go for previous day low here. Let's just see how this 15-minute closes, see if we wick this buy side or close below. don't think we're going to end up wicking it. Jeez. Just keep going lower here. Just want to mark something out quick. Test this. Currency isn't much to talk about here. Look at that hourly. So this. Just wait till 10 o'clock, I think. Not really much else to do here. Depends if we can invert this. Even on the 1 minute. Not really. probably going to keep going higher here. None of this is clean price action. Really? They've got an inversion into this. Just gonna wait till 10 o'clock, I think, before we make any decisions here. Okay, hourly close in 7 minutes. I'm fucking starving, I need food. Badly. it's hard. This price action's hard. Obviously we've got SMT here with ES. I just feel much more comfortable waiting until 10 o'clock and seeing how this hourly closes. If it closes below this, closes above this sell side here. So a 3-minute inversion, inverted that, and then we created an FEG, a bullish FEG here. The 5 minutes going on the 5. Yeah, we've sort of inverted that on the 5. Well, we're not sort of, we have inverted that on the 5. I think we will just grind higher here. If we were going to go lower, we'd have just taken out the sell side on this move. I don't think we would have just stopped and left it behind. I think if they wanted it gone, it would already be gone. Obviously that formed the SMT, so also got this 1 minute fair value gap. She could invert that. We're in the 950 macro as well. Macro ends here. We invert this, I might just try a long up to this buy side. Makes sense. We've got obviously the SMT with ES. We've swept sell side on ES. NQ's not swept sell side. There's the SMT. Hourly is obviously going to close above this sell side liquidity here. So we've just taken out all of this here on the hourly and then rejected. We've inverted this on the 1 minute. Break of structure here to the upside. We just need this to get inverted, and then we can long put our stop down here and go for this buy side up here. We can also get rid of this, we don't need this anymore. What's this? That 15-minute fair value gap, right? Yeah. So yeah, 15-minute fair value gap at 9:30. Came down, took out sell side, took out sell side. And if it was going to go lower, if it was going to go for this sell side here, I think it would have done it by now. you know, it would have had this leg up into the fair value gap and then just pulled away. But the fact that it's just consolidating here, could be accumulating longs in this area and then going for this. So I'm more bullish than bearish right now. That's just my opinion. I just want to see an inversion here. Stop here. Buy side. There's a new hourly candle. Just gonna go and mark it here since it's a inversion fair value gap. Just gonna go off with a market order. Do we need to stop here? I don't think we need it there. I'm gonna go higher time frame. Don't know if we end up inverting that. Yeah, I'm just trying to figure out where to put my stop. I think that's safe enough. See if we get the inversion here. Nope, no inversion yet. Closed above the 50% though. Yeah, you know what, I think stop there. It's safe enough if we end up inverting this. I will do 3 contracts. Right. Well, I was on the phone, but we're trying this. We've had the SMT inversions here, breaker structure here, accumulated, broke out, enter on a fair value gap. We'll just try this out. Up to these highs. Seems like a pretty fair trade. Everything I'm worried about is we've taken this here. But we'll see. It is in the 1050 macro as well. Once we break above this, then we'll move stops to break even. Just want to see us reject off this fair value gap. Let me actually get rid of this. Get rid of this, clear up my chart a bit. Get rid of that. Draw out the FVG. I don't want us to hold around in this fair value gap too long. Don't want us to move up quickly. On the phone again, for fuck's sake. Right, I'm back. So we hit break even on that trade there. Well, not break even, we made like fucking 17 US dollars, but just wasn't moving off this fair value gap like I wanted us to. So that's a break even today. We've got a win in the London session, a break even here, because we just wasn't getting that move up. It's not even a break even, it's like 17 US dollars profit, but yeah, we wasn't moving anywhere. It's NFP week, it's understandable. Actually, we'll pull the executions up here. So yeah, entered here, stop was here, and we got here, break even, hit break even. Then there's the London session. Oh no, we took an L here, a small L. And we've got 117 ticks here. We sold 3, sold 2, sold 3 in this 1 minute fair value gap. Trailed our stop, and then we hit trail. And then here is the trade we just did. Buy 4, sell 4. Yeah. We hit break even, now we start pushing up. We'll probably go for this now. Can I hide my screen? There we go. Is it hidden? Yeah, it's hidden, okay. Cool, I just want to check my win rate and I'm on my funded. On my, sorry, evaluation account. I didn't want people seeing. Uh, where's win rate? What the fuck? Win rate, 62.5% win rate. With this new, what do you call it? New model I'm trying, so 65.2% win rate isn't bad. I do want to show that on stream. Hold on. I've got an idea. I don't want you seeing my account. But I'm going to show the win rate on stream so you know I'm not capping. Open up snipping tool. I'll just do that. Then we can go here. Will you be able to see it though? That's the thing, because it's not on. Oh, look how we go for buy side once I hit break even. That's sad. I don't know if you can see it. No, you can't. Straight for buy side after break even. Yes to the high. There you go, that's buy side. Oh, delivered straight to buy side after break even. Maybe we should have just left our stop. Straight to buy side. here as well. Again, we're in this Fair Valley gap. No SMT. Could get unicorn set up here. See, this is what I'd want to take, something like this. There's a 1.73 RR. It's based off an inversion liquidity suite. 5 minute. Here's our break of structure. Might get unicorn entry model here. So if we close below this, could get the unicorn. Where's the breaker? Breaker's here. Let's highlight the breaker in grey. See if we get pushed down below this now. Might get the unicorn on the ES here. Still no unicorn. Got it on ES though. Just nothing on NQ yet. Okay. Still no breaker structure, ES. Still got the breaker structure on ES. Bullish SMT here. there's not really much going on here until we reach into this buy side. There isn't really much to do. It's a shame we hit break even here, because it did literally go straight to TP after break even. Sad times. Yeah, I want to see this buy side get taken. Maybe we can catch a short off of it. Probably end up going for it during 1050 macro though. I'm going to mark that out. 1050 till 11:10. Change that to not black. I don't like black. That sounded nuts. I didn't mean I don't like black. I mean I just don't like the color black. What the fuck? Shit. Okay. Alright, Liam. Alright, Liam. Fair enough, mate. I'm starving. I really want some food as well. Very boring price, very boring. big? Oh, because you can't read it. I like this. Why is that so big? Shit's massive, I don't want it that big. That sounds nuts. Cool. Get rid of that. You can get rid of that now, we can get rid of that. This is that 15-minute fair value gap, I think. Yeah, still haven't inverted that. $5-minute. Boring. Everything's boring now. Right now, what's the ES doing? Chilling. Just sit back and watch the chart then, I guess. I'm actually pissed we got stopped at break even there. And then as soon as it stopped me, I went straight to the buy side liquidity. I think that was like a 1.8R. Maybe a 2R. Let me actually check this. It was we entered like what? Around there. To there. Stop was here. 2.3R. I guess we shouldn't trail as aggressively then. We did trail quite aggressively, but that was just because he was just lurking around the fair value gap here. Probably should have kept it this low. Or here. Trailed it from here to here. Instead of trailing it all the way up here. Should have given it some room to breathe. But it's fine, we'll wait till 10:50 macro. And hopefully we take its buy side out and we can catch a short down to... Let's just look at approximately where the 50% would be, around here. So maybe down to this liquidity. It's a little minor. Sell side. No, not even SMT there. Because we could go either direction here. This could just be a liquidity sweep. We could just head lower from here. Or we could go for the buy side liquidity at yesterday's high. It is yesterday's high, isn't it? Yeah, Tuesdays. Because we took yesterday's low on ES. Not an NQ, which was the SMT. Based off of this trade here. Might want to take the high. ES probably will not get to the high. So we might get an SMT on ES and NQ. Because NQ could take it. I don't think ES is going to go from here. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to de-risk on my trades as well because it is an FP week. I'm not trading tomorrow. I hate trading on Thursdays and Fridays on an FP week. It's always just some messy, sloppy shit. So after today, I'll probably be back Monday. No. Monday London session possibly. Not Monday New York. Definitely not Monday New York session. You know what? I'm starving. I need to go make food. I'm gonna end stream here because it is boring. And I might stream the lunch session, but we will see. But this shit is just too boring. I don't really want to sit here any longer talking shit. So I'll post on Twitter if I am streaming the lunch session. So yeah, be safe and have a good day.